In this tutorial, I'll show you how to print a design from Figma by exporting it and preparing it for printing. To get started, open Figma and navigate to the design or frame you want to print. Select the design, then look for the export section in the right-hand panel. Next, click Export and choose a file format. JPG is a common option for printing, although you can also choose PNG or PDF depending on your needs. Adjust the export settings if necessary. Then click Export and save the file to your computer. Once the file has been downloaded, locate it on your computer and open it. From there, use your device's print option to print the design. If needed, adjust the print settings such as paper size, orientation, or scaling before printing. And that's it. You've successfully exported and printed a design from Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.